New studies show that the pandemic caused 80% of patients to avoid going to the dentist in 2020. Those numbers are improving now in a large part because of patients that are beginning to see the impact of avoiding the dentist. Dental expert Dr. Jamie LaViola is here to discuss more. So this is really an important topic. I think so many of us have maybe missed appointments or, prolonged those appointments. But talk about what can happen from that, the brain fog that people may see, and from poor dental hygiene and things like that when they don't see the dentist.
Sure. First, I wanted to say thanks for having me, kid, and
yeah.
it's a pleasure. So we're seeing a lot of different things as far as the brain fog. I've seen different people that maybe have a reaction to a new medication. So it's kind of all over the place with that piece. But definitely, as we get people back in, the most important thing is maintenance and getting back into the routine.
Stress has been a big part of this, and we all know what can happen. We don't sleep well, people start grinding their teeth more. Have you been seeing a lot of cracked teeth and things like that because of the stress?
Yes, seeing a lot of cracked teeth, a lot of stress, grinding, loose teeth, all different types of things are happening. I think because of the stress, but also for things that have been left undone for a while now.
And prevention is such a big part. So for people that are dealing with the cracked teeth, could you share kind of how important it is to get that taken care of or to prevent it?
So for prevention, I think the main thing is, it's hard to live a stress-free life. So we have to make decisions for ourselves, whether it be diet, whether it be having a new smile so that you can feel good about yourself. These are all things that are important. And then as far as on the dental part, again, coming in for routine cleanings to get it checked ahead of time, and just making a decision for yourself that makes yourself feel better.
Those routine appointments are so important. You've been working through the pandemic and things like that.
Yeah.
What do you want to tell people at home that are maybe watching right now that have maybe been afraid to make that call or make that appointment? What do you want to say to them?
I think it is important that they come, and obviously when they're comfortable, but it's important to get back and get into a routine. Maybe you find a new dentist, maybe you go back to your old dentist. To me, as long as you're getting back into a routine, so these things can start to be addressed. And on the other side, again, like I said, the stress piece is coming back to that.
Right.
Healthy teeth so that you can eat the proper foods you need for overall health and wellness.
For people watching right now that maybe need to make that appointment, are looking for a new dentist, Dental Masters of Alexandria has all the precautions in place to make sure it's a safe atmosphere when people come in. Yeah. How can they get a hold of you?
You can either reach us on telephones, which is 703-549-3300. There's a website, which is www.drlaviola.com, LAVIOLA.
Excellent. We've got it on the screen right now. Thank you so much for bringing this information up. And, again, I think helping people at home feel a little bit more comfortable about making that appointment. And it is so important to have good dental health. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Great to see you.